Hello children, welcome to the review session on chapter 2. In this session we are going to focus on few topics from which the questions will be asked frequently. First of all, what do acid and base mean? Then acid base indicators, common reactions of acid and base, pH scale, importance of pH, and products from common salt, water of crystallization, and at last plaster of Paris. Always, acids produce H plus ions in water and the base will produce OH minus ions in water. Can you remember how do we find it is acid or base? Using the indicators. These indicators will show the color change in acid and base. They are litmus paper, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Now we'll see how do they change their color in acid and base solutions. This chart shows the color change of litmus solution, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Now we'll see the common reactions of acids and bases. Always, acids and base react with metal, they will release hydrogen gas with the formation of salt. Next, acid and base react together to form salt and water, and this reaction it is a neutralization reaction. Next, acid when it reacts with metal oxide it will give salt and water. Here metal oxide is always basic in nature. Next, non-metallic oxide reacts with base means it will give salt and water. In this reaction, this non-metallic oxide will always be acidic in nature. Next, we'll focus on pH scale. Here, in pH scale, we'll have the reading from 1 to 14 and when it is below 7, that is up to 6 means that is acidic in nature, and if the pH is above 7 from 8 to 14 it will be basic in nature. At 7 it will be neutral in nature. The pH paper will show the color change of acid and bases according to its pH. The pH of the living organisms like plants and animals should be maintained properly. If not, this will cause them to even die also. The pH of the soil also should be maintained for proper forming. Next, pH can also affect the tooth. It will cause tooth decay, so that should be maintained properly, and the pH of the digestive system should be maintained for proper digestion. If not, it can be neutralized with even antacids also. B leaves methanoic acid when it stung us. This causes pain and irritation that we know. So that can be neutralized with baking soda or limestone. The pH of acidic salt will be less than 7. The pH of neutral salt would be equal to 7, and then the pH of basic salt would be greater than 7. We get many products from common salt such as caustic soda, bleaching powder, baking powder and washing powder. This chart shows the chemical name, chemical formula, preparation and uses of caustic soda, washing soda, baking soda and bleaching powder. The following crystalline salts will have fixed number of water molecules on its chemical formula. So this is called as water of crystallization. Then at last, this plaster of Paris, which is formed from gypsum, is used in setting the broken bones, and it is also used for making statues. Now test yourself with these questions. Leave your answers in the comment box. See you in next session. Thank you children.